we're gonna make a delicious 4-ingredient strawberry parfait.
You know what else everybody like? Parfait.
I have 16 ounces of strawberries. I'm just gonna cut them in quarters. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Get it all sweetened up there. We have angel food cake that I bought from the store, right? A nice cheat. It's actually sour cream angel food cake. I mean, delicious. I've got some strawberry yogurt, and that's it. Okay, so this is so fun. So I just have 1 tablespoon of sugar going over the top, and I'm just gonna mix this up and just kind of let it sit for a minute or two. I'll get all those juices flowing. I love these kind of desserts because even though I love to cook, I like to make homemade stuff. Sometimes when you're having like a group over and you've kind of spent all your energy on the main ingredient and the side dishes, I'm thinking, oh, I wish I had a dessert, right? Well, this is 4 ingredients, takes just a few minutes. So simple to put together. It looks really pretty, and your guests will love it. So here we go. Got the strawberries. I'm gonna put these in a little wine glass. And so you can even, if you want to be a little bit neat, you can just kind of cut these in little pieces, right, like that. And just put a few in the bottom there. Just put a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna make one for Eric and I. So I'm gonna continue kind of building like this. And it's fun to do, right? Fun to do. So, okay, so we've got a little bit of that, a little bit of the angel food cake. I love yogurt, so a little bit of strawberry yogurt. You could easily use like a whipped cream, a homemade whipped cream in there. That would be delicious too. But hey, one less thing I had to make. So I'm all for it. And then these beautiful strawberries. Gonna go on top. I mean, wouldn't you love to go to somebody's house and see that? It's gorgeous. And you could put these in like a sundae type glass. I mean, use your imagination, right? So we're gonna keep layering. Just gonna add some more of this on top, some more of the cake. Yummy. I love angel food cake. And I justify it because it's supposed to be a little bit less caloric. So, I mean, that means I can eat that whole thing, right? Okay. A little bit more yogurt on top. A little bit on each one. Just a little dab. All right, that looks beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna finish with just some strawberries on the top. Beautiful. All right, you see that? 4 ingredients, just a few minutes to make. Beautiful. You can make these all up ahead of time, put them in your fridge, bring them out for your guests. Enjoy.